So this here is more difficult. Then open, close the fence all you want. Okay, right. Right. Turn to everyone and your left hand. When you want to clean her hair, you can hear like this. Yes. Okay, use your left hand here. Okay, just two hair, and I can clean. Okay, okay. And use your hand, yes, to clean your hair. Oh, very good. And then, oh, good. Oh, very good, very good.